Rodney Gilliland. We've had
alumni. Let me get that close up of you.
This is my favorite thing right here.
There you go, that's great.
Brayden Collins up the 7-0 Justin Carmichael.
Turn now.
Come on, I'll get there. Get out to the 37-yard line. Be second down. Nichols on the carry from Munford.
What it is, though. Every time. Go, baby. Work out there, man, all day. How you feel about it? How you feel about it? Yes, sir. Good work out there, baby. Let's go. Keep working.
All right. You turn into a bunch of rabbit goose. Do your job. Down ball first down and 10 from their own 30. Let's go, D. You're on.
I guess he is.
Oh, okay. And he's just gonna take it in. Yeah!
We do.
Him coming back. Get in there, boy.
Like Strickland on the carry. Touchdown!
Stay focused on things and get what we got to do fixed.
All right, good luck. Good luck. Have bear down. Let's go! Let's go! Bear down, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Bear down, baby! We live. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Crank it up! Crank it up! Let's go!
21 Montgomery Catholic.
Hey!
River Spain Park.
Yeah! Yeah!
You gotta work out. Hudson's the first read. Work out. Blue 62. Hudson!
That'll bring up him out of bounds for the Golden Bears. Gain of 9 on the play. Can you hear me, Kev? Can you hear me? Yeah. There's nothing right now, man.
Boy, Spencer Bill. How you feel about it, man? How you feel about it?
We got this in the back.
Playing tough defense, tough defense.
I can hear you on that. Good deal.
There you go.
Waited too long.
Hold on, look at it come off. Follow the ball, go with it, keep going, good. Come on, boy. If we can catch a highlight for him, we can use that for him in class. Close, eh? But